How to access Facebook Marketplace. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you access Facebook Marketplace. To begin with, you have to first of all make sure to update your app. So head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Facebook. And if you see update, then you want to update it, or else just click open it and log into your Facebook account. So once logged in to your Facebook account, this is how it's gonna look. So next thing what you want to do is on this field, click on the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen. Next, you want to come to this section at the bottom. You could find a lot of options. There you have these marketplace section. So as you could see, this is how you'll be able to access Facebook Marketplace. And on the website, it's usually on the left hand side bar of the screen. If you can't find it, you could try checking the menu for the see more options, or ensure your app is up to date and you're using the main profile as well. So that is basically how you could access Facebook Marketplace. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.